Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping, and you'll get this in no time. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it, guys. This month is rolling around. Here we go. And if you have some free time, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, click that link down below, since I am affiliated with Amazon. And there we go. They got the new eco-friendly boxes. And we have here something. Ooh. Coming from Kmouk. Get that right over there. Slide this right over here. This is a PC soundbar. Now let me drop you guys down. It's like Kmouk. It's a company on Amazon. Let me adjust you guys. There we go. A little bit lower. Let's see, there we go. That works perfect. Okay, here we go. Kmouk PC soundbar. Got the RGB lighting. This looks sweet. Alright, let's see what this thing does. Of course, we're going to test it out. Got the manual we don't need. Oh. There we go, that was something. Alright, Kmouk PC Soundbar, here we go. Oh, we got Santa Claus coming up soon. This will be a nice one to get. And birthday presents. Maybe if you have a gaming person you have friendship with, they might like one of these. You can have your AUX-in there headset. Okay, this is the back side. Here's the front or the bottom. They got little stoppers. You can just peel this off so it won't slide everywhere. Maybe you could get it flush mounted. Okay. Easy push button. Nice twirl. Feels pretty good. LED touch button right here. Right there. Here's the front of it. It looks nice. Nice, perfect size for a PC desk setup. And then we got the USB cables. Yeah, all I gotta do is 2-second hookup on the PC, so definitely gonna try it out on this computer in here. I got a few seconds to kill. Gotta do on this twisty tie right there. There we go. Bam. Alright, that's a nice size USB. Got some length to it. And there's aux cables. Alright, I'm gonna hop over right now. Alright guys, here we go. That sounds really good. Guys, here we go. Really cool RGB lights in the background, change the colors. Alright guys, check them out. Kmouk on Amazon. Link will be down below. You guys be safe. Have a good night and see you guys soon.